Today's recipe is an eggless lemon cake with lemon syrup and a lemon glaze. And believe me, this cake is worth trying out. Remember that the syrup that you're going to use on this cake is what is going to make it extra special. So don't skip it. That is my recommendation. Do heed that. So let's get started. So let's begin by making the lemon cake. First, you need to take the butter, which is at room temperature, in a big bowl. Add the sugar to it and then beat it very well with your handheld whisk or even the electrical beater like I'm using. Do this for about a minute and a half till it becomes fluffy, light, and the sugar gets all mixed up. Add in the yogurt, beat it well again till everything gets combined into a uniform mixture. Then sift in the flour, the baking powder and the baking soda in 2 or 3 batches. Folding it nicely with a spatula or a spoon. You do not need to be very vigorous at this stage, just do it gently so that everything gets combined and you get a smooth batter. And now add in the lemon zest. You can add as much as you want according to your taste. And the lemon juice as well. Give it a good mix till everything is uniformly mixed inside the batter. So your batter is now ready to bake. You can use any kind of a mold that you want. I'm going to use a loaf mold today, and this is a bake and serve mold. It's made of paper. Makes it very easy to bake, so that's the one I'm going to use. You can use whatever you have available. Bake it at 180 degrees C. So while this bakes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let us get on to our yummy lemon syrup. To make the lemon syrup, take water and sugar and heat them along with the lemon juice. Now water is an optional thing to add. I have added it here, but you may skip it. Cook it till it becomes slightly thick and the flavors of the lemon are all absorbed in it. Add in the lemon zest and the lemon juice, and your lemon syrup is ready. By now the cake must be done. Get it out. Oh, look at that beautiful crack on it and the golden top. It's amazingly beautiful. So our lemon syrup is ready to pour on this cake. Now you need to poke holes all over the cake while it is still warm. Not burning hot, but it should be warm enough. I recommend pouring the syrup on the cake while your cake is still inside the mold. Otherwise, if you try to take it out while it's hot or warm, it will definitely break. But I'm going to take it out because I want you to see how soft the cake is. Well, as a result, I broke it a bit, but that's alright. I wanted you to see how it looks. So now you can pour the syrup on your cake while it is still inside the tin, as I said. Soak it as well as you can. Leave it in for at least half an hour for all the juices to get inside the cake and the cake to become moist, warm, soft and lemony. Till then, let's get on to the glaze. This glaze is a very easy one. You just need icing sugar, lemon juice and a bit of milk. Mix these three things together till you get a pourable consistency. So that's your glaze ready. Make sure that you make this glaze just before you're about to pour it on the cake, and don't pour it on a very hot cake, otherwise it will just melt all over it. So let the cake cool down and then pour it over your cake any way you like. Now we're going to dress up this cake with this lemon glaze and some lemon zest. It looks so tempting, doesn't it? And now you must see how soft this cake is. Oh my God, can you believe it? So I'm sure you're gonna give it a try. Make this cake, tell me how it turned out. Until next time, bye-bye and enjoy.